OnePlus 8T starts receiving OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 hotfix update. OnePlus 8T is receiving its OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 update in India, a hotfix update that fixes issues caused by the previous update. The over-the-air (OTA) OxygenOS hotfix update optimizes call stability, improves system power consumption performance to reduce heating, and fixes other issues. On Friday, alongside the India rollout announcement, OnePlus said the update will soon be available for devices in Europe and North America as well. OnePlus 8T had received an OxygenOS update with almost the same changelog just 10 days ago. OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 is rolling out to a small percentage of OnePlus 8T users in India as of now, and will have a broader rollout in a few days. The hotfix update comes to India with version 11.0.4.5.k.b. 05, as announced on the OnePlus community forum. The update for the smartphone will be available in Europe as version 11.0.4.5.k.b. 05 and as version 11.0.4.5.k.b. 05 in North America. As mentioned before, this is a hotfix update and the changelog is more or less the same as it was for the OxygenOS 11.0.3.4 update for the smartphone. As per the changelog, system updates for the OnePlus 8T includes improved Mi's touch prevention, which will lead to better gaming experience. The user experience will also be optimized with alert slider by adding toast messages while switching among the three modes. The issue of the status bar hovering on the screen while in landscape mode has been fixed, along with the issue of the NFC not turning on under certain conditions. OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 brings updates for the OnePlus 8T camera including optimizing the imaging effect to bring a better shooting experience, and improved camera stability. The mobile network connection has been optimized for OnePlus 8T and the problem of network interruption taking place in some conditions while playing games has been fixed. It could take a few days for the OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 hotfix update to reach your OnePlus 8T device. If you haven't received a notification so far, you can check for the update manually by going to Settings System Updates. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.